Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to this pre-market report. Yes, SGX Nifty is indicating a flat open at around 17,350 to 17,400. Very crucial is the resistance now at 17,400. Today, crude oil prices will definitely be waiting for the outcome from OPEC meeting, which will be very closely watched. And according to me, crude has now settled at around $100 per barrel and nowhere close to $125 per barrel where it was trading earlier, and that was one of the huge causes for inflation. Also, the most important news for the day is the China-Taiwan worries. And yesterday, Pelosi visit has made this tension much more bigger, and everyone are there on their toes to see what economical and political move China will now do after the visit of Pelosi yesterday. And very important is you also as a trader has to be on your toes, because the music can end anytime and the party can be over. Let me tell you, in these crucial times when already we have seen a huge rally from levels of 15,200 to now levels closer to 17,400, it is time for you to step aside and wait for the next outcomes to get out. Also, let me tell you, very important will be the RBI policy which is happening on 5th of August. After the Fed rate hike of 75 basis point, what will our Reserve Bank of India do, and how will it tackle inflation? What will be its future commentary on the next coming days inflation level? And one has to closely watch the movements both internationally and locally. And for me, this market now on Nifty has a stiff resistance at 17,400, and I've also tweeted I've exited all long positions in market and waiting for lower levels or dips to buy. In fact, one who understands the short side of market with strict stop loss and right risk management, weaker sectors can definitely be looked for shorting. One has to be very careful in this specific juncture of market and at least stay away from your trading long positions by booking profit, because anytime a trigger on the downside can come. Also, what is very important, dollar index has started inching higher, which is an indication for short term weakness. Another crucial point, last 2 days, volatility index also has started going up, which is also not good for the bulls. And the crucial event of RBI policy, plus you also have the OPEC meet, tells to me this is definitely not the time to stay on the long side. Yes, market will answer all this in coming days, but one has to understand these fundamental and technical news very closely and then have positions accordingly. And let me tell you, yesterday lifetime offer of 3-day residential retreat at Kumarakonam at Kottayam has been announced. You can watch the description below for all the details, and also the previous video which gives full information about the program. Congratulations for people who already registered yesterday, and full information about the program is in the description. If you click that link, and even registration you can do it immediately and be part of that lifetime fabulous 3-day residential program to learn the art and science of investing and trading. I'll be sharing my 2 decades of experience. Will also tell you what are the stocks which I have bought in my investment portfolio. Will also tell you my trading position. I'll be available with you for 3 full days there. You cannot miss the great networking what you will get there. You cannot miss the great learnings what comes to you both in investment and trading field, and you cannot miss the stocks which I will provide you. And this entire 3-day program coming to you inclusive of your stay in the resort for 3 full days just at 18,000 rupees, and this is only because this program is sponsored by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, as well as Investor Education Fund is giving that particular program and the awareness. And I know some people are already registered, and let me tell you the number one reason, I repeat, the number one reason why people don't make money in market or they keep losing is because they don't have simply commitment. And I was laughing yesterday when some of them were commenting saying like, when it happens in Bangalore, I will attend. Some people comment saying that, oh, those dates you should have informed us early. Let me tell you, me as a speaker is traveling all the way from Bangalore to Kottayam. Night, if you just take the bus or train, next day morning you are there. So going to Kottayam is not the reason. The reason is you don't have commitment to move from a losing trader to a profitable trader. You don't have commitment for becoming financially free, and you want to stay back at the same place where you are. That is the choice if you are taking. You have to give that as the reason than telling it has to be informed 1 month back. As a speaker, I was informed 2 days back. And let me tell you, I am traveling from Bangalore to this place. Let it be in Kanyakumari or let it be in Kashmir. If you are committed to learn, you will come. And if you are not, you will only start finding out reasons that this date is not suitable. When it happens in Bangalore, let me attend. In fact, sometimes I make a joke, give your free time and your personal secretary number. I'll come to your house and discuss when you are free about all the strategies. Don't expect that from Rudra. Even I have my time constraints and even I have my work cut off. If you have that commitment and discipline, come what may, you will go. I want to meet Rakesh Junjunwala and learn from him anywhere, anytime, nook and corner of this world I will go, because I know the value of education, I know the value of true wisdom, and I know the value of expertise with that amount of experience what RJ has. And if you understand this, you will not have any excuses. And already so many people have registered for the program, and later on don't come back and say there are no seats left. This fees of 18,000 investment, you will just recover in 1 or 2 stocks which I will discuss there. The learning becomes free, and at this price it is only coming because you are getting the sponsorship from Investor Education Fund as well as Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and with the support of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, this program has been conducted. Or else just a 3-day stay in that resort will cost you more than 18,000. You can also come along with your family, where the fees for your spouse or for even your children will become much lower, and you are just paying for their stay in the resort. Have a 3 full wonderful days of non-stop learning, and one-to-one you are interacting with Rudra. Forget 18,000 rupee which will recover in just the 2 stock investment. Lifetime opportunity, I am sure you cannot miss. Go to description right now and register for the program. See you all on August 18, 19, 20 without any excuses and reasons in the 3 beautiful, wonderful days of learning stock market investing and trading. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Take care. Bye-bye.